Welcome to New Car Updates. Today, we're exploring a classic legend reborn with a modern heartbeat, the 2026 modified 1941 Chevrolet Special Deluxe Woodie station wagon. It's not just restored, it's reimagined for the modern era while keeping its vintage soul alive. Let's get into it. The original 1941 Chevrolet Special Deluxe Woodie was the epitome of American craftsmanship before World War II. With handcrafted wood panels, a smooth straight six engine, and elegant curves, it was the ride of choice for families and adventurers alike. Now in 2026, this modified version pays tribute to that timeless design, but with modern engineering and technology under the hood. From the outside, it's a showstopper. The classic wooden body is now enhanced with marine-grade, high-gloss sealant that protects and preserves the natural grain. A deep navy blue paint contrasts beautifully with the polished wood. The front features LED retro-style headlights, chrome bumpers, and custom grille work. Sitting lower to the ground, it rides on wide white-wall tires with hidden performance alloys, giving it both form and function. Inside, it's where classic meets comfort. You'll find soft leather bucket seats in vintage tan, detailed wood trim across the dash, and a cleverly integrated touchscreen hidden behind a classic radio faceplate. Modern conveniences like air conditioning, Bluetooth audio, and a push-start system are all seamlessly installed without disturbing the original look. The steering wheel and gauges retain a vintage feel, but everything operates with precision and luxury. Engine and performance. Pop the hood, and you're greeted by a powerful LS3 V8 engine producing over 430 horsepower. It's paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission for smooth shifts and effortless highway cruising. Upgraded suspension, modern disc brakes all around, and electronic stability control bring this vintage cruiser into the 21st century. It's fast, it's smooth, and it roars when you want it to. This isn't just a car. It's a rolling tribute to automotive history. The 2026 modified Chevrolet Woodie blends nostalgia with performance, class with comfort. Whether you're hitting the coast, pulling into a car show, or just out for a Sunday drive, this station wagon turns heads and starts conversations. It's proof that old-school style never goes out of fashion, especially when combined with modern muscle. What do you think of the 2026 modified 1941 Chevrolet Special Deluxe Woodie station wagon? Would you take this beauty for a ride? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss an update on the world's most unique and exciting cars. Thanks for watching New Car Updates. See you in the next video.